Hello traders, The title of the video is Understanding Motive Elliott Wave in Less Than 5 minutes. Let's get started. The word motive derives from motor or engine or propeller. Let's not complicate things further. A motive wave is a wave that propels the price action in the direction of the trend. First, third, and fifth waves are multi-wave of the trending phase. Everyone understands that. But corrective waves also have their own multi-wave. Those are the segments that are helping to complete the corrective wave. For example, A and C minor waves of both flat and zigzag corrective waves are multi-waves, though uh, they are not multi-wave generally speaking. They are motors, engines, or propellers that cause a wave pattern to be completed. Of course, minor waves that are in the opposite direction of the wave pattern are not multi-wave. I hope this helps. I hope this short tutorial will help you to become a better Elliott wave trader. Have a better understanding of the multi-wave. Thank you for watching. Give us the thumbs up. If you are still smiling, mark it down. If it is really distasteful, share this tutorial. If it is one of the best you have seen so far on YouTube. Subscribe to 24 Elliott Wave today. Yes, subscribe to 24 Elliott Wave. It is free. Click on the notification bell right away. Thank you for watching. Happy trading to you all. Visit www.24elliottwaves.com to learn more. Happy trading to you all.